Hey everyone, in this video we'll learn about the Concordium Smart Contracts extension for Visual Studio Code. We'll see how to install it and use it for setting up a smart contract from a template. The primary features of the extension comes from the command line tool Cargo Concordium, which can be used irrespective of your text editor choice. The installation steps for Cargo Concordium are covered in a separate video. Alright, with VS Code open, head over to the Extensions tab in the activity bar. Search for Concordium and then install the smart contract extension. Note that you must have Rust up and Cargo installed. The steps for doing so are covered in a separate video. Next, we'll create a smart contract project from a template. Open the command palette by pressing Command-Shift-P on macOS or Control-Shift-P on Linux or Windows. Find the Concordium Smart Contracts, initialize a smart contract command, and run it. Then choose a location for the project. Next, we have to choose which template to use. Let's pick default, which has the basic scaffolding for a smart contract: a state, an init method, a few receive methods, and some tests. Then we must give the project a name. Let's use counter. You also need to provide a description. Once generated, you can open up the project in VS Code. You may see this pop up where you can decide whether you trust the authors of the code or not. We'll click yes. The project is a regular Rust project with a cargo.toml file that defines the project and its dependencies, a source folder where the smart contract code lives, and a tests folder where the test code lives. One thing that differs from a typical starter project in Rust is the deploy scripts folder, which has scripts for deploying your smart contract onto the chain. The details of writing, testing, and deploying smart contracts are covered in separate videos. For now, I'll show you how to build your smart contract. Open up the command palette again and run the build contract command. This outputs the contract in WASM format in the Concordium out folder. There are also some schema files which may be covered in a future video. To run the tests, we use the command Concordium Smart Contracts test contract. Both of them passed, so I guess this contract is ready to go. This concludes the video. Stay tuned for more Concordium developer content.